So guys, if you want to get free Wi-Fi anywhere you want, anywhere you go, then watch this video till the end. What's going on guys, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you a free and simple way to get free Wi-Fi anywhere you go, anywhere you want. In this video I'm not going to show you any type of Wi-Fi hacking or any type of illegal things. This is completely legal option and using this option you can get free Wi-Fi anywhere you want. I'm using this option for almost 2 years and it worked very well. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get free Wi-Fi anywhere you want. So without talking too much, let's get started. Before that, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you had already subscribed, then thank you so much.
So guys, first you need to install an Android app from Play Store. So open up Play Store or App Store on your smartphone and search for this app, Wi-Fi Map. Then install this Wi-Fi Map app on your smartphone. Basically the concept of this Wi-Fi map is it will show you the nearest open Wi-Fi and some shared Wi-Fi access point. You just need to go there and you will be able to use free Wi-Fi connection. Personally I use this app and it's really work guys. That's why I decided to make this video for you. When the installation is completed, open this Wi-Fi map app. Then you need to accept the agreements of this app. Before using this app, read the agreement carefully. Then hit next and next. Then you will see here how many Wi-Fi access point and user are available on this app. Then you need to enable the location to see the nearest free Wi-Fi access point near you. Now you can see all the free, open and shared Wi-Fi connection near you on this map. All the black icon on this map has free Wi-Fi connection. To see the details of all the free Wi-Fi connection to use free internet, swipe up. And here you will see all the nearest Wi-Fi access point list. Tap on the nearest Wi-Fi access point, whichever you want, and you will get the Wi-Fi credentials to connect the Wi-Fi. Sometimes it could be open Wi-Fi or password shared Wi-Fi connection. Just you need to go there to get the Wi-Fi range. To see the direction of the location, tap on map. And it will redirect you to the Google map to guide you to go to that location. You can follow the Google map to get the free Wi-Fi. Sometimes it could be happen that some shared Wi-Fi password would be changed by the Wi-Fi provider. But most of the time you will get the update details of that Wi-Fi connection.
So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friend. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SS Tech Tutorial and I'm signing out.